boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. I have a cool song for you from AARYAN SHAH. I'm not really sure about that pronunciation, but anyway, this song is called Intoxicated. So we have this famous chord progression round that goes in the same order through the entire song. We love that, and a pretty easy strumming pattern. So let's start with this right away. Capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have three different chords. So we're gonna look at those. It's the E minor, D, and C. So this is the E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the D, that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna play the chord progression E minor, D, C, D. That is the round that goes through the entire song, okay? So with that, we're just gonna learn now the strumming pattern, one that works through the entire song as well. So grab that E minor, since that is the first chord. And with that, it's gonna sound like this for one round. Alright, so that is down, 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 up. The first two downs, I'll play more on the bass strings. And that down, down, up, I play more on the mid and top strings down here. That gives a little bit more variation into your playing. It's more fun to play and to listen to as well. So bass, bass, top, top, top. That's what you need to think of. So down, 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 up. That's one round. So a couple rounds of that will sound like this. So with the chord progression, one strumming round per chord, E minor, D, C, and D. Couple rounds will sound like this. So yeah, that's it. AARYAN SHAH, Intoxicated. Thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.